Hey guys, so today I'm going to be test driving the Canon R5 Mark II and my subject is this big back window 59 Fleetside Apache. It's like a normal window, but it's big. Big back window. Today's shoot is pretty cruisy. I'm going to be knocking out a handful of exterior shots and a few details. I've brought my whole kit with me today, so let's take a look. As well as the R5 Mark II, I've got my trusty 24-70, also brought along the 70-200 for a couple of shots, and the 100-500 just in case. I also have a circular polarizer for each lens, which I never shoot without. Grass, you know?
Yeah, go on.
I'm worried about snakes.
I actually think I heard one before.
Oh, don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. It's a beautiful car, but I'm not prepared to get wrangled by a snake for it. Or am I? And car. We've hijacked this road. When they see what we're actually shooting. Sometimes you get an angry farmer, but other than that, most people give us a thumbs up and keep going. When the sun goes down here and we get some orange, that's going to be perfect. Do a few more of the front, and then I think we'll turn the car around, and then I can in 5-10 minutes have that nice sunset colours in the background. And we'll see how the colour pops. Get a bit of contrast in that. When it comes to the paint, that blue is the exact colour of the sky, so I'm going to make sure that I get my main shots as the light falls and we get those orange and purple hues behind the truck to make sure that it stands out. This Apache has a rare factory option to feature, the Double Deluxe kit, which refers to the stainless trim surrounding the body and spears on the bonnet. This combined with the factory big back window, front visor and Fleetside makes this super rare. So rare that it's one of 3, and after it was imported, it sat in a museum for 7 years as a survivor desert car with just 70,000 original miles. It's had a few upgrades, including a 283 small block Chev, running gear, AC and a rewire.